Hi, I'm Amy of Nicole Floral, and on today's episode I'm going to be doing a product review of a brand new floral stripping glove. Now I'm really excited about this because as a florist, my hands are always getting trashed. I'm touching sharp things, they're always covered in something, and so this is a product that's really meant to help allow us to strip roses and flowers more easily without tearing up our fingers and getting a lot of debris all over them. So I want to show you first what has been on the market for a long time that I typically use, and some of the differences in what this new glove maybe can do. So right now there's this plastic glove out that basically allows you to take off quite a bit of the product, leaves and so forth. The benefit is this is pretty inexpensive, and it really does not damage the surface of the stem. The problem with some of these older ones that have a metal stripper inside is, even though you can be careful, if you pinch too hard, you can rip or damage the outside of the stem. Anytime that happens, it allows bacteria to enter into the flower and potentially prematurely killing it. So it's important to protect that stem. And although I like this method, it also can be a little bit hard on your hand to be bouncing out, open and close all the way down, especially on larger rose stems. So I'm going to show you how this works. I just bought it, and it looks really funny going on. And I will say, I'm a pretty small person, and already it is very small. So it barely fits around this part of my hand. If I was a larger person and had bigger hands, this would be a little bit problematic. So it only comes in one size, I would say right off the bat. It's a little bit of a downside, but it is very comfortable in my hand, and I think the biggest concern is this little space right here. What I don't want to do is grab a big thorny bundle of rose stems and grab it and have something snag me. So I'm going to give it a try and see if I like it. So that was really easy. Let's try another one. Wow, pretty good. Now, one of the concerns I had is it really able to is it strong enough to actually get those thorns off? And I think there's some larger thorns here. I think as long as you keep your fingers up and out of the way, it's not a problem. But it looks like it can handle probably medium-sized thorns pretty well. I think on larger thorns, you still have to go back and put some more pressure on there. I think one of the benefits of this glove right off the bat is just how it's ergonomic. I'm just using my hand. I'm not having to manipulate some other tool to strip a rose effectively. So I'd say it's pretty good. I still think you have to do a couple of passes. I noticed that with this plastic one and with this one, a lot of times I can do it in one pass. So I'd say it's definitely got some benefits to it, but I'm not loving how it doesn't take these thorns off right away. Maybe I'm not as strong as other people too, so maybe that somebody's grip is a bit stronger, but I'm having to definitely do a couple of passes to get these roses clean. So I think overall, it's a decent product. I definitely will use it, but I may rotate. I can feel a little bit of a pull up in my arm from the pressure I'm having to put. So I probably would use a combination of these depending on how many roses or how many thorns were on the rose stems. You can still see ones you left behind. So overall, I'd say it's a pretty decent product. And I'd love to hear your comments if you've tried this product before. I've heard florists raving about it. I've heard a lot of florists haven't even heard that it's out yet on the market. So I'll definitely link the product below. It's pretty inexpensive. I believe it was $10 to $12 on Amazon. Maybe have one in case you have somebody in your studio that wants to use it or prefers to use it. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you liked the video. Of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content coming your way every week. And of course, please share the video with your flower loving friends. We'll see you next time.